2023 Porsche Cayenne prototype spied testing. First look. Porsche is testing its updated version of the Cayenne midsize crossover. The new 2023 Porsche Cayenne should arrive next year, with some radical refreshments. Moreover, spy shots are available, and the performance crossover looks better than ever. Judging by new photos, changes are noticeable on the front fascia, as well as on the back. First thing first, the front end of the prototype has been completely revised, featuring a new headlights. Actually, the angular shape of headlights is similar to the design used on the Taycan. Besides exterior changes, Porsche will also make some updates inside, as well. For example, the dash will be new, and it should integrate a fully digital display. 2023 Porsche Cayenne redesign. The 2023 Porsche Cayenne prototype shows the new face. According to the latest reports, Porsche plans to do the same with the entire Cayenne range. The key change is the squarer design and more angular shape of headlights. Basically, the prototype's front end has been completely revised, and it looks that Porsche has taken some cues from the Taycan sedan. Overall, the spied Cayenne design is much more aggressive, especially on the front. Other notable changes are more oversized intakes and horizontal elements for the integrated daytime running lights. However, like the current generation, the new SUV looks identical in terms of dimensions. Interior changes. The fourth generation, 2023 Porsche Cayenne, will bring severe upgrades inside. Likewise, we just got a new spy photo, and the Cayenne it looks pretty fresh. First of all, we noticed a mixture of the old and new designs inside. Actually, the cabin is more luxurious, and it includes fully digital dials without the traditional tachometer in the middle. Also, it hosts a much larger infotainment screen compared to the predecessor and obviously more standard features. Dimensionally is the same, and it can fit 5 passengers comfortably. 2023 Porsche Cayenne engine specs. At this point, it isn't clear what Porsche has planned for the powertrains. However, typically we could expect to see the same engine lineup as before, but some mechanical changes should happen. As you probably know, the current Porsche Cayenne is the model that is offered with few engine options. The lineup currently starts with the base Cayenne coupe powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 that produces 335 HP and tops out with the Turbo SE hybrid 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 with an electric motor. This engine is the most powerful, and it delivers 670 horsepower and 663 lb-ft of torque. Release date, price. The updated Porsche Cayenne should arrive in 2022 as a 2023 model. The testing mule was spied a few days ago, and we must admit, it looks incredible. Interestingly, there are rumors that Porsche will, alongside the regular model, also introduce a more hardcore Cayenne variant. At the same time, the manufacturer will be most likely to show the new 718 Cayman GT4 and 911 GT3. The current Cayenne starts at $67,500, and it can go up to $163,200 for the Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid. Moreover, expect the redesigned variant to cost slightly more.